Buyers might wonder why they need a real estate agent. What they do not realize is that the road to buying a home is full of twists and turns. Even if you think you can find the home of your dreams by yourself searching online with different websites, but once the actual purchase process starts, you might wish that you had some help navigating it. Some buyers just decide to work with the seller's agent for their home purchase without realizing that the seller agent is a fiduciary to only the seller, but not to you as a buyer. You are left open to be exploited and, more importantly, left open to some serious legal issues. Now, it is critical that you hire a real estate agent that you can trust. If you need more information on this topic or want to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process, please email, call, or text me directly. We look forward to being in business with you.